Hi there YouTube. Today I thought I would show you the Volkswagen Passat GTE and if it's possible to sleep in it. So here we have a yardstick, it's 2 meter long and it's touching the front seat, the driver's seat. And as you can see we have 2 meters here, which should be enough for most people. Anyway, you see you got a sort of headrest there, you should remove that, and you got a slope upwards. Otherwise it's pretty nice. And yeah, let's check it out. The width between the wheels are about 100 centimeters. Got a bit of a slack here. So that's pretty good. So let's see if I can get inside here and under that one and then lay here and feel it out. So now I'm inside the feet, and yes, I get this as a headrest, and yeah, you get the slope. It's not flat, it gets all of this upward, but I guess that's pretty okay. If you can remove this one, you can sleep in it, but I would prefer it a bit more flat. I'm 178 long, 178. Oh. Yeah. You can pull it ahead, pull it back and forward. This is normal seating position. This headrest